In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on the eBay app. This is a handy feature if you're shopping from different regions or just prefer seeing prices in a currency that's more familiar to you. Let's jump right in and explore how you can customize this feature effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your eBay account. Open up your preferred browser and head over to ebay.com. If you're outside the US, don't worry, just visit your regional version of the site. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials to access the full set of features. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the My eBay button. This button is your gateway to a variety of functionalities, including account settings. Click on it to get started. Now that you're in the My eBay section, it's time to delve into your account settings. Here, you'll be greeted by a menu with a variety of options for managing your account. Focus on the Account Settings option, a critical step in this process. Clicking on it will lead you to a new page filled with various settings that you can tweak according to your needs. Next, navigate to Account Settings and locate the Site Preferences section. This might seem like a lot, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward once you get there. Within Site Preferences, you'll find the option for Currency Display. This is the feature we're focused on today. Clicking on Currency Display opens a drop-down menu filled with different currency options. Whether you prefer US dollars, British pounds, euros, or Australian dollars, you'll find a suitable choice here. Scroll through the list and select your preferred currency, one that makes your eBay shopping experience most comfortable. But wait, you're not quite done yet. After selecting your desired currency, be sure to save the changes. This is an important step because if you don't save your adjustments, you'll need to start all over again. Once you've saved everything, the prices of all items you browse will automatically be converted to your chosen currency. This makes comparing prices and understanding costs a breeze as you continue your online shopping journey on eBay. Now that we've walked through all the steps,